and spend the day. Putt, eat, splash, and play. There's fun around every corner at Putt Putt Funhouse.
I want excitement tonight on the town. I want to dine on the best food around. A magical evening, a fabulous show at Alhambra. That's where I want to go.
Who's got jerseys in the D? Fanatic U. Who's got all your favorite teams? Fanatic U. Who's got all the gear you need? That's right. Fanatic U. 100% Detroit. Cruise on down to Old Town where the cars are the stars. Great services, no accident at Westland Car Care. Adventure Landing's the place to go. It's time for family fun. Play all day, rain or shine, good times for everyone. Jacksonville Power Sports, your fun starts here. All-Star Sports, bring the family out to play. All-Star Adventure, come out and spend the day where everyone's a star.
Well, Cool Crest, since 1950, a family tradition of fun.